Hello there, beautiful humans. In this video I'll show you how you can make this very beautiful flower decoration in the shape of a ribbon bow tie. And you can put this on any gift, whether it's for Christmas, graduation, wedding or any other occasion, birthday, doesn't matter. You can put this on your gift and make your gift even more beautiful and special. All we'll be using for this decoration is glitter paper and metallic paper. And please don't pay attention on my pimple. Let me know in the comment section if you also hate pimples and help me get at least 10 likes for this beautiful decoration. Here I have two pieces papers in gold color. One is glitter paper and one is metallic paper. Both papers are thin. They are not thick cardboard type of paper. They are both thin. And this is what we are going to use in our video. What we will do is first we'll turn the metallic paper. We need the back side now. I'll take my ruler and I'll make a dot on 2 centimeters. And that's the same I'm going to do at this side. At 2 centimeters I'll make a dot. Next we will connect this line. Then in the length we'll make a dot at 22 centimeters. That's the same I'm going to do at this side. On 22 centimeters I'll make a dot and I'll connect this piece. And this piece that we made here, we're going to cut this out now. Next we'll take our glitter paper, we'll turn it around, and here I'll make a dot on 2 centimeters and on 4 centimeters. That's the same I'm going to do on the other side. I'll make a dot on 2 centimeters and on 4 centimeters. Then we'll connect this dot and make a line. And that's the same I'm going to do on this side. Then on each line I'll mark 22 centimeters and I'll connect these lines. Next we'll cut them out. So now we have 2 golden strips of glitter paper and 1 metallic mirror paper. We have 3 strips here. Each strip is 2 centimeters in width and 22 centimeters in length. We'll keep this aside. We are going to take back the mirror paper that we had, metallic paper. We will turn it around and I'll make 2 dots here. One is on 2 centimeters and one is on 4 centimeters. That's the same I'm going to do on the other side. Then in length, make a dot on 19 centimeters. I've made 2 strips here and I'll cut out these 2 strips now. I will take the glitter paper again. On the back side I will make a dot on 2 centimeters and in the length on the other place I'll also mark 2 centimeters. Then we will make a dot on 19 centimeters in length and I'll connect these 2 dots and I will cut out this piece of paper. Now here I have 1 strip of glitter paper and 2 strips of metallic paper, and these pieces are 2 centimeters in width and 19 centimeters in length. Now we will put this aside. We will take our glitter paper again and I'll mark it again 2 centimeters in width, and this time our length will be 17 centimeters. We will mark on 17 centimeters. We'll cut this piece of paper out and we will take the metallic paper again, and on this one again we will make a dot on 2 centimeters width and the length we will keep 9 centimeters. Here are my strips. I have 3 pieces large, 2 glitter paper, 1 metallic paper. We have then a smaller size in which we have 1 glitter paper and 2 metallic papers. One size smaller is just 1 glitter paper, and then we have a piece of metallic paper again. They're all in different lengths and each length is getting smaller. Now next what we will do, we will take this and we will fold it in half. Till we have a crease here in the middle. We're going to open this up, and we are taking a piece of double-sided tape. We will put this piece of double-sided tape in the middle. It has to be exact in the middle. Half for this side of the fold and half for the other side of the fold. Remove the plastic. Then we will fold this paper like this. And we will paste it here. We'll do the same thing on the other side, but in the opposite direction. So we have did it here. Now we will do it in the opposite direction. Like this. And we will bring it here. And we will paste it here. It will be like an 8. You can see it like this. That's the same that we are going to do with all other papers. After folding all our papers like that, the last one we won't fold like that. We won't make that folding. On the last one, we will do it in a circle shape. So first we'll take a piece of double-sided tape, and we are going to put it on one side, and then we'll just connect the two sides together on top of each other, and that's it, in a ring shape. Now again we'll take a piece of double-sided tape, and we'll take the large pieces first, the 3 large pieces that we made. Let's put this aside. We have 2 pieces of glitter paper and 1 metallic paper. We will put the double-sided tape on this glitter paper, and we will remove its cover. After removing its cover, we will take the metallic paper and we will put it like this next to the glitter paper. After that, we'll take another piece of double-sided tape and we will put that on top here. Then our glitter paper, we'll take that one and we will put it on top of it like this in the middle. After we have done that, we'll take another piece of double-sided tape and we will put it in the middle again. Here we will take the metallic paper first and we will put it here. Make sure you place it in the middle. Then again you'll take a piece of double-sided tape and you will place it in the middle. Then we'll take the glitter paper and we will paste it next to our metallic paper. And once again we'll take a piece of double-sided tape and we will put it in the middle here. Then we will take our piece of metallic paper and we'll put it in the middle. Next, on this glitter paper, we will put double-sided tape on its back and we will place this in the middle like this. And lastly, we'll take one more piece of double-sided tape which we will paste on this ring shaped, and we will put this in the middle. For our next step, we will take the metallic paper and on its back we are going to make 2 strips and each strip will be 3 centimeters in width. So I'll mark on 3 and 6 centimeters. That's the same that I'll be doing on the other side. And I'll connect the points. And we'll keep its length 10 centimeters. And now on the glitter paper on the back side, I'll make 2 dots on 2 and 4 centimeters, and that's the same I'll be doing on the other side. I'll make dots on 2 and 4 centimeters, and I'll connect the dots. And the length will be 8 centimeters, so we will mark it on 8 centimeters. Now next, we'll take double-sided tape, and it will be about the length of the glitter paper that we have, and we'll put it on the back side of our glitter paper. And we will paste this glitter paper in the middle of this metallic paper that we have. That's the same I'm going to do on this one. On the back side of the glitter paper, I'm going to take about the same length. It can be shorter, it's no problem. And we will put it in the middle, the double-sided tape, and paste it on the metallic paper in the middle. We will take both now and place them on top of each other. We will turn it and at 2 centimeters height I'll make a dot, and our paper is 3.5 centimeters in width, so at 1.5 centimeters I'll make a dot here. From this corner I will cut till the dot, and that's the same I'm going to do on this side. Now with the help of 2 pieces of double-sided tape, which we will put here, the one on this one, and on the back side of this we will paste 1 piece here and another piece here. You can cut this piece out like this. Just follow the cuts. Comment below and do let me know if you did like this decoration. And if you did like this decoration, then hit that like button right now. For more amazing party decoration and other DIYs, check out my channel. I'm sure you'll find very great ideas for your party, gift or any occasion. Subscribe for free now to stay updated for all the new DIYs that are going to come on my channel. Enough love and hugs to you all. Kiss kiss. Ciao ciao.